As the West Indies fumble to another test match defeat, it was like deja vu put on repeat. The poor performance in the series again debunked the third corner theories. We still have not turned the corner. We're good today, tomorrow, gone. And yes, it was a decent run. 2 unbeaten series, it was fun. Our bowlers are still here or there, but the batting make me lose me here. Man them in and out in little time. Before we finish, make me rhyme. The games are done with days to spare. Us the fans left in despair. The question is, when will it end? Will they ever buck the trend? And we're not dreaming of those glory days, but here and now we are in a daze. And surely this can't be the norm. The calm, and still no storm. Guess it's just the way it is. West Indies on this cricket biz. We take the highs, we take the lows, the ups, the downs, the yes, the no's. West Indies fans, who feels it knows.